This short video is one of a series that will provide you with training support on the SurePulse VS newborn heart rate monitor. This is the last of 4 videos and covers top tips and troubleshooting for users of the SurePulse VS. It is hoped that there is sufficient guidance for most issues. However, if you still need assistance, there are contact details towards the end of the video.
Additional information can also be found in the quick guide and the operating manual. If the module LED is orange or red, the module battery is low and needs recharging. Remove the spare module from the display unit. A box with a swap button appears on the screen. Press Yes and swap the modules. If the module LED is flashing red, the connection between the module and the sensor has failed. Swap the cap for a new one and try again. If the module is connected and you're getting a trace but not a heart rate, then check the cap tightness and that the baby's forehead under the sensor is clean and dry. If the cap is too loose or too tight, adjust as necessary or swap the cap for the appropriate size. If there is interference on the trace, for example an intermittent bright green and dark green trace, and no other device is interfering, like a mobile, then make sure that the module and display unit are no more than 3 meters apart and that there is a clear line of sight between them. If the module is not connecting to the display unit, replace the module to the display unit dock, check the battery status, and try again. If you plug in the USB data stick but don't see the transfer button, it is likely that the data stick is incorrectly formatted. You will have been supplied with these, but if you need more, contact SurePulse or your local distributor. Please note that the data files are not compatible with Mac OS, only Windows. If you cannot record the session, there is an X or exclamation mark across the folder icon on the touchscreen. The display unit memory is full, or nearly full. Download and/or delete recordings.
Thank you for watching this video. If you need further assistance, please contact your local distributor or SurePulse technical support.